If you want to turn off motion photos on your Google Pixel phone, we are first going to open up the camera and then make sure you have the photo mode selected. Once you're in the photo mode, look for the settings. It's usually a little gear icon towards the bottom left corner. So I'll tap that, and then here we have some camera settings we can change. On Pixel, the motion photos are called Top Shot, and here's the toggle for that. You can have it on auto, you can have it on, or you can set it completely off if you don't want any motion in your photos. I'll toggle mine off, and now anytime I take a picture, it's going to take a regular still image with no motion involved. Now, if you have a ton of photos you've already taken with the Top Shot feature enabled, and you want to convert those to regular or still images, we can do that through the Google Photos app. So, you would go to Google Photos and find the photo you want to fix. I just took one here, so I'll select the photo, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Save As. Here, you can export this either as a video, GIF, or still photo. I want mine to be a regular still photo, so I'll go with that. I will select that option and then just tap Export. I can then tap to view that photo, and if I go back now, you will see how there's two versions in my photos. One is with motion, one is without. Of course, my sample photo is not the best because you can't really see the motion, but you get the idea. And that is how you turn off motion photos on your Google Pixel phone. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more handy video guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.